So, as I said, today we will start our third chapter, which is all about Introduction to Pivot Animator, where we will cover today's topic is on introduction about Pivot Animator and how to start Pivot Animator from Start menu once it is installed in your Windows operating system. As I have Windows 10 in my laptop, from there I will show you how to start Pivot Animator. So what is a Pivot Animator? Well, a Pivot Animator is a software program through which you can create short animated stories using stick figure. If you check these figures on the screen, the particular name that has been given for Pivot Animator images is known as stick figure, and the man that you are seeing on the screen is known as stickman. So what are animated stories? Well, an animated stories are nothing but those are motion pictures. When you place different images together in a frame, and when you run that frame in a sequence, that particular images looks like as if it is in motion. So in Pivot Animator, we will add different type of images using different type of movements so that it looks like that particular frame are in motion. So in order to run Pivot Animator program, you have to first install in your computer. Those who have internet connectivity and your computer system, they can go to this website link that I've given at the bottom of the screen. It's https colon double slash pivotanimator.net slash download.php. If you can't remember this URL or website address, simply go to Google and in a search box type Pivot Animator. The first link or the first keyword that it shows you on the searching list is of Pivot Animator portal. So go to that site, and at the center of the screen you will find download Pivot Animator 4, which is showing on the first web page of Pivot Animator. So click on it and download this file. Once it is downloaded, double click on the software and follow the instructions and click on next button to install this software. Once it is successfully installed, it will ask you to open Pivot Animator to run that program. So I will show you second option, how to open Pivot Animator from Start menu. But before that, let me give you a brief idea about the stickman or the picture that you are seeing on the screen about stick figure. This stickman, as it similar looks like a man standing on the screen. So we call this particular image as stickman. So what are the different sections that you see on the screen? The black lines with a circle is known as segment. There are hands, legs, vertebrae or the spinal cord along with the head of the stickman. Other than that, there are multiple red dots that you are seeing on the screen. Now what are these red dots? These red dots are nothing but these are the end points of the segment. If you click on any of the red dots, it will make different movement of the images. It will help you to make a different angle or the direction when to place these images in different frames. Now if you check at the center portion of the stickman, you'll find a yellow dot, which is the mean or the origin of this stickman known as origin handle. That means if you are if you have to move this particular stickman from one section to the other section of the screen, then you have to click on this yellow button. Now I'll show you how to open Pivot Animator from Start menu. It's very simple. Let me minimize the screen. Now click on Start button to find Pivot Animator program. Scroll down at the bottom in sequence. Look in an alphabetic order. Now under letter P, you'll find Pivot Animator folder. Click on it to expand and you'll find Pivot Animator program. Now click on it to run this program. So this is the main interface or the main window of Pivot Animator, where at the top left you'll find the Pivot Animator with menus, and this particular left hand section is used to perform different type of functions. And as I said, if you click on this yellow dot and if you drag this stickman from one place to other place, then you have to use this yellow dot, which is also known as origin handle. As this black portion is known as segments, there are 11 segments with red dots. When you click on any of the dots, it forms a different type of angle. You see? So these frames, these images can be placed in a different frame, which I am going to show you in the coming days, and I will also guide you how to create a small or short story using Pivot Animator. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.